Welcome to my channel Math Eager, and I am Suresh Gurung. Let's go to the problem. Construct a hexagon which each side are equal, but remember that it is not a regular hexagon. Now the hexagon, the opposite side of a hexagon are parallel. That is, these two blue lines are opposite, so they are parallel. Similarly, these two brown lines are also opposite, so they are also parallel. And the remaining these three green lines are also opposite, so they are also parallel. The perpendicular distance between the blue lines is 195, and the perpendicular distance between two brown lines is 192, and the perpendicular distance between two green lines is 237. Then what? We have to find the area of hexagon. The area of hexagon. So this is the question. So now, before going to the solution part, I would like to request you all to pause the video and take the screenshot of this photo and copy it and try to solve with your own method and with your own time. And if you got stuck, then come to the solution part. Okay? Now let's go to the solution part. Okay, join these 2 points also. Join this line. Okay, join this line. Then what you have seen there, a triangle, a blue shaded triangle. Now we are going to find the area of the blue shaded triangle by constructing this way. Okay, by constructing this way, we are going to find the area of blue shaded triangle. Now next is, let's assume the side of hexagon is BA. Then all sides become A, because it is given that all sides are equal. So the magnitude of all sides of hexagon is A. Now assuming this line as X, then the area of this blue shaded triangle is half of X into A. Also, by constructing this, we can find the area of this blue shaded region is by assuming this blue line Y is equal to half Y into A, isn't it? And these two areas are the area of the same blue shaded triangle, so we can equalize them. Now we have here the cancellation term, half cancel, A cancel, which means that X is equal to Y. That means the magnitude of Y is equal to the magnitude of X. So in this way, constructing this triangle, and same the way of construction, we can say that these two lines are also equal. Like in previous, X is equal to Y, here also. Understood? So if we assume this line as Y, then this become also Y. Similarly, from also look this triangle and constructing in the same way, we can equalize these two sides. Equalize these two sides, and if we assume this z, then it will be z. Okay, it will be z. Now, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Look very clearly. These two sides are parallel, and look, every angle is 90 degrees. So it makes ABCD a rectangle, which means that the opposite sides are also equal. That is, x plus y is equal to 192. What? X plus y is equal to 192. So we get this. Similarly, P, Q, R, S also become rectangle, and y plus z is equal to 237, isn't it? Thirdly, K, L, M, N becomes a rectangle, and x plus z is equal to 195. Okay, now we have the three equations here, and by solving we find the value of x is equal to 75, y is equal to 117, and z is equal to 120. Okay, by solving these three equations. Now substitute the value of x, y, and z. Now removing unnecessary part. So in this line, and look, this pink line are equal and also parallel, which makes this quadrilateral a parallelogram, isn't it? We can make this quadrilateral parallelogram by this property, that is, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this become parallelogram, and opposite side also become equal. Then look, these two triangle, okay, these two triangle become congruent by side axiom. These two triangle become congruent by side axiom. And now this upper blue shaded triangle, the area of is half of 117 into A, isn't it? This is the height and this is the base. This is the base, this is the height, and the area of triangle is half base into height, and base is 117 and height is A. Also, the lower blue shaded triangle is equal to upper blue shaded triangle. Why? Because these two triangles are congruent, and the property of congruent triangle is their area also become equal. So the area of lower blue shaded triangle is also half of 117 into A. And the parallelogram, okay, the area of this parallelogram is base into height, and base is A and height is 195, which is 195 into A. Now adding this area, okay, adding this area, we get 312 into A. And look this figure. This figure is the hexagon, isn't it? This figure is the hexagon. Of hexagon we get 312 into A. 312 into A. So it remains to find the value of A. Now it remains to find the value of A. These two triangles are congruent, so their opposite angle, their corresponding angle also become equal. So assuming these two angle be alpha. So constructing in a same way, okay, by same way this triangle can also be congruent and this opposite angle also be equal, and let these two triangle be beta. And constructing in the same way, these two opposite angle also become equal by in the same way. So let this angle be gamma. Let this angle be gamma. Now this angle will be 180 degree minus alpha. This angle will be 180 degree minus gamma, and this angle will be 180 degree minus beta. This right angle triangle, you see that sine 180 degree minus alpha is equal to 117 upon A. This angle, okay, and its opposite is B, and this side is A, hypotenuse. So P is 117 and hypotenuse is A. Now sine 180 degree minus alpha means sine alpha. So in sine alpha, the value of sine alpha, we get 117 upon A. And we know cos alpha is equal to root over 1 minus sine square alpha. We get cos alpha 1 minus 117 upon A whole square root. Similarly, if from this triangle the value of x, y and z sine 180 degree minus beta is equal to 120 upon A, and that is sine beta is equal to 120 upon A. So overall we got the value what? Sine alpha is equal to 117 upon A, cos alpha is equal to square root whole 1 minus 117 upon A whole square, sine gamma is equal to 75 upon A, cos gamma is equal to square root whole 1 minus 75 upon A whole square, and sine beta is equal to 120 upon A. And here we don't require the value of cos beta. Okay, we'll take back the picture. The sum of interior angle of the hexagon. Now we know the sum of interior angle of the hexagon is 720 degree. Is what? 720 degree. Why? Because when you join this, it will become the area of two triangle and quadrilateral, and the sum of two triangle is 360 degree and the quadrilateral 360 degree, and so the sum of interior angle of the hexagon is 720 degree. And look here, the sum of there are the interior angle of the hexagon is alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma. They are the interior angle of the hexagon. So we get 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma is equal to 720 degree. Now taking common 2, we get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 360 degree. We get alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 360 degree. So we got what? We got alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 360 degree. Now this alpha plus gamma is equal to 360 degree minus beta. Okay, we move the beta in the RHS side, and taking sine of angle both side. Okay, taking sine angle of both side, sine alpha plus gamma is equal to sine 360 degree minus beta. Now expressing the formula for sine alpha plus gamma is sine alpha dot cos gamma plus cos alpha dot sine gamma is equal to minus sine beta. Okay, now here we don't have the required that's why we don't have to find the value of cos beta. Sine alpha cos gamma plus cos alpha sine gamma is equal to minus sine beta. Now substituting this value from all of the above. Substituting this value, we get 117 upon a. Okay, now this and this. Now simplifying, we get 117 upon a square root over a square minus n square. The 75 square means 5625, and 75 a square minus 117 whole square is 13689, and minus 120 upon a. Okay, this a comes from this squaring a square, and root over a square is a, so a into a is a square. Okay. Now taking common 3 upon a square, we get 39 root over a square minus 5625 plus 25 root over a square minus 13689 is equal to minus 120 upon a. Now 3 divides 120 by 40. Now a square a cancel. Now we get, yes, 39 root over a square minus 5625 plus 25 root over a square minus 13689 is equal to minus 14a. Now squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Now this is going to the form of a plus b whole square, and expressing a plus and opening the formula, we get this 1521, that is 39 in square, a square minus this square root become this square root and square cancel, and 25 whole square 625, and a square minus this square root and o square cancel, and yes, 2 into 39 into 25 is 1950, and this is here, and 40 a square is 1600 a square. Now and opening the bracket and solving, we get this. We get 7a square minus 219,375 is equal to minus 25a4 minus 19314 a square plus 47700,625. Actually, this is the form. This is the simplifying here. Now again squaring the both sides. Okay, again squaring both sides, but here we require the calculator which display 16 digit. Okay, the normal calculator, using normal calculator we cannot find the value here, because look, squaring both sides, you will have to find the square of 219,375, and its square would become 11 digit number. So only 10 digit showing calculator doesn't makes difficulty to solve the problem. So you have to require the calculator which displays 16 digit. Maximum on the mobile calculator or laptop calculator is appropriate for this type of problem. Okay, now after calculating we get this. Okay, look, we get 49 equal power 4 is minus 3071250 a square plus 481259065, and this is 25 whole square 625 into this, and 625 into 19314 is this, and 625 into 7700,625 is this. Okay, now look, these two digit number are same, and this is the 11 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 okay, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, this is the 11 digit number, and these are the same, so it will be cancelled out. And simplifying, we get 576 a power 4 is equal to 9,900,000 a square, and simplifying we get a square is equal to 15625, and taking square root we get a is equal to plus minus 125. Now taking the only positive value, 312 into a, and a by 125, we get 39,000 square unit. So overall we get the area of hexagon is 39,000 square unit. So this is all about the solution of the question. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Math Eager for updating such type of more this type of videos, and if please like, comment and share, and thank you for watching.